almost walked past you. Oh, dude, that could not be more perfect. Oh my God. Dude, that is sweet. See, I knew I saw it, but it wasn't that close before. No, is that the vulture? Let's see. Yeah, it is the vulture. Cool. Crazy to be walking and seeing this at the same time. It's so cool. And it looks like that's the other one. Making a video just in case it flies off in the meantime. Right there is a kestrel. Mighty little bird of prey. Hip-hoppity kestrel. A little kestrel. Look at that magnificent kestrel. See, crows have... Bro, the kestrel was just chilling there. I wanted to see. The crow legit just bullied the kestrel out of there. Seriously, man. That was a